Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Back up your data and plug into a charger. Updates can stall if power cuts. Once done, connect to reliable Wi-Fi to avoid corrupted OTA downloads, then open Settings and go to About Phone, System Update. Tap Check for updates and allow the device to download the package. You do this now because starting the download early avoids interruptions. Meanwhile, watch the progress and do not reboot the phone until the download completes. You will now install the downloaded package. Verify the build number and size so you know what changes to expect, then tap Install. The phone reboots into recovery or updater mode. This is normal. During installation, the system may show multiple percentage stages. Do not press buttons or remove power. Once the Android framework updates, the device runs app optimization and data migration. Make sure to wait patiently, because interrupting this phase can cause boot issues or data inconsistency. After reboot, you should verify the new Android version under About Phone and check key apps for expected behavior. If you see slow performance, allow a few reboots as the system finishes background indexing. Clear app caches as needed. If the phone fails to boot or is stuck in a boot loop, power off, enter recovery, volume up plus power, and clear the cache partition first. If that fails, restore from your backup or flash the official ROM with My Flash. That single troubleshooting step often resolves update hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.